What do you get someone that's turning 21? I know. Let's do shots. Let's make a shot birthday cake. Get some styrofoam, glue them together. On a low heat setting, you start adding the minis one by one all the way around. These are usually in California 89 cents to $1 each. Put a little fun little thing in the middle, some sparkle, some glitter, put some tissue paper to really fill it in, and there you go. Happy 21st birthday! Hey. Honey, have you had one too many? Okay, what about if someone's turning 50? I know! Let's make them a care package. I think these are all items you might need if you're turning 50. Not sure. Yeah, ooh, the pink stuff always works. We're gonna go ahead and some napkins, some flour foam, and some wooden dowels. Glue the foam together, put it in the bottom of the trash can on low heat setting again, then start gluing those necessities to the wooden dowels one by one. Oh, with decisions. Not sure which one you need, babe. Okay, some more gluing. Then we're gonna go ahead and arrange them. Biggest items in the back, smaller items towards the front. It just really gives a sense of depth. Then using our napkins makes a great filler for tissue paper. Put it all the way around, fill it in, add a cute balloon. There you go. Happy 50th birthday, love. Craft Grooms.